Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. From 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Princeton, Mount Carmel, Fort Branch, Oakland City, Albion, Lancaster, Hopdot, Owensville, West Salem, Patoka, Allendale, Francisco, Somerville, Belmont, Hazleton, Bone Gap, Kingsburg, Browns, and Mackay. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards and Wabash, and Gibson, Indiana.
Doubleheader.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for western White County. At 6:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carmi, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carmi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: White, Illinois. Severe thunderstorm watch number 38.